Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So today we will deal a small topic. Based on that topic we will solve the problems. So and based on that topic exercise 6C problems also there. So what is the topic means? Just it is a formula. Whenever we are having integral e to the power of x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e to the power of f of x plus c. So suppose in any problem we are having any situation question like this, right? So we can take that as e to the power of x f of x plus c. Okay, so take the first question. So what is your first question? Integral e to the power of x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So now only I said which formula we have to use for these problems. In any problem e to the power of x is there outside of the bracket and inside suppose we are having two terms, we have to think about this formula. If integral e to the power of x f of x plus f dash x dx is there, directly we can take in its place e to the power of f of x plus c. But you should know what is f of x, what is f dash x, then only we can apply the formula. So observe here e to the power of x tan inverse x, right, plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So you take your f of x is equal to tan inverse x, right? Then what happens to your f dash x? So f dash x is equal to d by dx of f of x. So d by dx of f of x means d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so observe we have taken this as f of x and we are having another value as f dash x. So therefore we can take that formula directly. So e to the power of x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to e to the power of x f of x. What is your f of x? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus c. So that is the answer. Okay, so but particularly you should know which is your f of x, which is your f dash x. Sometimes they will give first value as f of x, sometimes they can give second value also f of x. So first you should be confirm which value should be taken as f of x and which value we are going to get it as f dash x. What is the meaning of f dash x? Differentiation of f of x is called f dash x. D by dx of f of x is nothing but f dash x. So come to the second question. What is your second question? It is integral e to the power of x into secant x plus secant x tan x dx. So now only I said whenever problem is in this form, question is in this form, e to the power of x inside the brackets two terms are there. So we have to take one term as f of x. By differentiating we have to get other term. Like that we have to select the term as f of x. So come on, if we take f of x is equal to secant x, d by dx of secant x. So that's why I said once you go through the differentiation formulas. Even here we are using the differentiation formulas. Even in that substitution method also we are using differentiation formulas. Differentiation and integration are reverse process, right? So come on, f of x is equal to sin x, f dash x is equal to d by dx of f of x. So is equal to d by dx of f of x is secant x, right? So d by dx of secant x is, we are having secant x into tan x. So observe now we are having in this form integral e to the power of x f of x plus f dash x into dx. So whenever it is like that, we have to take that value as e to the power of x into f of x plus c. So come on, therefore integral e to the power of x into secant x plus secant x into tan x dx is equal to e to the power of x into f of x. What is f of x? Secant x plus c is the answer. So in all these problems, we should know which value should be taken as f of x, so that we can get other value as f dash x. So come to the third question. What is our third question? Integral e to the power of x into tan x, right? So tan x plus secant square x dx. Okay, so which value should be taken as f of x now? So you take f of x is equal to tan x. So d by dx of f of x, that is nothing but d by dx of tan x. So d by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. Okay, so this is your f dash x, right? This is your f dash x is equal to secant square x. So therefore your question e to the power of x into tan x plus secant square x dx is equal to, what is this? This is f of x, this is f dash x. So whenever in the problem it is integral e to the power of x, f of x plus f dash x dx, we can write that value as e to the power of x into f of x. So it is e to the power of x into f of x. What is f of x? It is tan x plus c, right? So that is the answer. E to the power of x tan x plus c is the answer for the third question. Okay, now go to the fourth question. What is your fourth question? Integral e to the power of x into 1 plus x log x by x into dx. Okay, so is equal to integral e to the power of x. Come on, write separately 1 by x plus x log x by x into dx. Okay, so x get cancel is equal to integral e to the power of x 1 by x plus log x into dx. So which value should be taken as f of x now? See, generally sometimes first value will be f of x, but sometimes second value also will be f of x. Y means plus makes no difference. So you take your f of x is equal to log x. Then what will be your f dash x is equal to d by dx of f of x. So d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. So if we have taken f of x is equal to log x, right, we got f dash x as 1 by x. So we can apply that formula. So therefore is equal to integral e to the power of x 1 by x plus log x dx is equal to, what is the value? We have to take e to the power of x into f of x, that is log x plus c. That is the answer. Okay, so now you can solve your fifth question as homework, right? Very easy, right? So you can take sin x as f of x. It's f dash x, d by dx of sin x is nothing but cos x, isn't it? So very simple problem. So you can solve that as homework. I'll solve the sixth question. So come on, how we can solve that sixth question? Observe it, whether which value should be taken as f of x is there, or f of x is given or not. You have to check it. So come on. Once go through the sixth question. What is your sixth question now? Sixth one is integral. It is x e to the power of x by x plus 1 whole square into dx. So here where is f of x, where is f dash x? We can write this as e to the power of x outside, right, into x by x plus 1 whole square into dx. After that we can write this problem as e to the power of x into, come on, how we can write? We will add 1 and deduct by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Okay, write it separately. E to the power of x, come on, x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. So what happens? 1 x plus 1 will get cancelled. Integral e to the power of x outside and 1 by x plus 1 plus minus of into 1 by x plus 1 whole square into dx. Actually our aim is inside the brackets we should get two terms so that we can take one value as f of x, one value we have to get it as f dash x. Okay, that is our aim. Whenever e to the power of x into something is there, we can apply this formula. So if we want to apply this formula inside the bracket, there should be two terms. So to get two terms inside the bracket, I added 1 and deducted. So next this is of the form a minus b by c square form, a by c square minus b by c square form. So now you take your f of x as, what is your f of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1. So is equal to, we can write x plus 1 to the power of minus 1. You find out f dash x. F dash x is equal to d by dx of f of x. So it is d by dx of x plus 1 to the power of minus 1. So d by dx of x to the power of n is, what is the value? N into x to the power of n minus 1. So minus 1 into x plus 1 to the power of n minus 1. So is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 to the power of minus 2. It comes downwards. So x plus 1 whole square. Right? Observe, you got this one. F dash x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So therefore, whenever it is like that, inside the bracket f of x is there, f dash x is there. So we can go to direct formula, but in all the formulas you have to mention since, right? So here also you have to mention since e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash x is equal to e to the power of x f of x plus c. Okay, so here also you have to mention since, right? Whenever e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash x is there, right, that too integral should be there. Integral of this should be there. We can take in its place e to the power of x into f of x plus c. So therefore, come on, integral x e to the power of x by x plus 1 whole square dx is equal to e to the power of x into f of x. What value we have taken f of x? 1 by x plus 1, okay, plus c is equal to e to the power of x by x plus 1 plus c is the answer. So here also you have to mention that formula. Okay. So observe, in all these problems, whenever in any question e to the power of x is outside, right, and two terms are there, f of x right, and f dash x. But be careful, sometimes in general first term will be f of x. After differentiating we will get the second term, but sometimes they will give the second term as f of x. Why? The formula is this one, right? What is that? Integral e to the power of x f of x plus f dash x, right, is equal to e to the power of f of x plus c. So here plus is there. So same, if we have f dash x plus f of x, then also the formula will be same. That's why be careful while selecting your f of x. If you select any value as f of x, by differentiating you should get its derivative, that is f dash x value, you have to get it. Okay, so like that you have to select, and sometimes it will not be direct question. See here, actually where are the two terms? If you observe it, there are no two terms, actually numerator by denominator form. But if you separate it, this is of the form a plus b by c. So a by c plus b by c form if we take, you got two terms. So in this c, second term is your f of x. Okay, so sometimes they will give first term as f of x, but sometimes they will give second term also as f of x. Be careful. Why? Here plus is there, so it makes no difference. We can take f of x plus f dash x or f dash x plus f of x. So you check and take the value correctly. So here second value is f of x, but compulsory inside the bracket, if we take one value as f of x, its derivative must be the second value, that should be there, right? Then only we can apply this formula. So like that we have to select the term. If we differentiate it, we have to get the second term, then we can apply this formula. Okay, so here see this, here x e to the power of x by x plus 1 whole square dx. So e to the power of x is there, but we don't have the two terms directly inside the brackets. So in such cases, first you write e to the power of x outside and try to write this as sum of the two terms. So how we will write sum of the two terms means add 1 and subtract 1, right? Then you write separately x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Here x plus 1 will get cancelled, 1 by x plus 1. Here I am writing plus of minus. Why I am writing means, if I take this value as f of x, see after the differentiation I got minus, and in our formula form plus is there in between f of x and f dash x. Between the two terms there should be plus. So that's why here minus is there. We can write minus as plus of minus. So plus of minus I have taken the value. Okay, so I have taken this as f of x. So 1 by x plus 1. So if power is not there, we can write its power as 1. 1 by downward power is 1 means if we send upwards it will be minus. So differentiate it. If you differentiate, we will get this answer. Okay, so be careful while doing the problems, but slowly you will get used to all these formulas. Okay, so simple formulas. If you know the formulas perfectly, we can play with these integral problems. Okay, practice the problems daily. Don't forget to practice. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.